An organization currently operates a single 1 gigabit per second AWS Direct Connect link, connecting an on-premises data center to a single AWS region, utilizing a private virtual interface to reach a specific VPC. To support corporate expansion and improve network resiliency, the company needs to introduce a second Direct Connect path in the same location and enable network access to cloud resources located in different AWS regions using the redundant link pair. Which architectural approach satisfies these connectivity requirements? Option A. Deploy a Direct Connect gateway. Terminate the existing private virtual interface. Establish a second Direct Connect connection. Create new private virtual interfaces for each link, associating both with the Direct Connect gateway, and attach the gateway to the VPC.
Option B. Retain the current virtual interface. Add a second Direct Connect connection, create a new private virtual interface on the secondary link, and link it directly to the existing VPC. Option C. Retain the current virtual interface. Add a second Direct Connect connection, create a new public virtual interface on the secondary link, and attach it to the existing VPC.
Option D. Provision a transit gateway. Terminate the existing private virtual interface. Establish a second Direct Connect connection. Create new private virtual interfaces for each link, attaching both directly to the transit gateway, and associate the gateway with the VPC. When considering this scenario, think about how AWS network architecture handles regional boundaries. Direct Connect links are typically local to a region, but specific constructs allow that reach to extend globally. The core challenge here is managing redundancy while ensuring traffic can route across different regions through a unified, resilient interface. In my view, the correct answer is option A. A Direct Connect gateway is the specialized AWS resource specifically designed to provide connectivity to VPCs across multiple AWS regions using one or more Direct Connect connections. By setting up the gateway and attaching both virtual interfaces to it, the organization gains both the redundancy they need and the cross-region accessibility requested.
Looking at the other options, Option B is incorrect because a standard private virtual interface attached directly to a VPC is limited to that specific region and does not support multi-region connectivity. Option C is wrong because a public virtual interface is designed for accessing public AWS services rather than private VPC resources. Finally, option D is incorrect because you cannot attach a private virtual interface directly to a transit gateway. You must go through a Direct Connect gateway first. For your exam preparation, remember that whenever a requirement mentions needing connectivity across multiple regions via Direct Connect, the Direct Connect gateway should be your primary consideration. Transit gateways are powerful tools, but they require that specific gateway bridge when interfacing with Direct Connect links to achieve global routing.